Cabinet members, please stretch your hands. I, Somesh Das, do pledge as a head boy of St. John's School Talche. As the school cabinet, we promise that we will abide by all the rules and regulations of this institution. We will obey and respect our parents, teachers, and elders. We will consider each student as our brother and sister. To our school management, the principal, the teachers, and friends, we pledge our commitment for the betterment of this institution. We will try our best to bring prosperity and happiness among the students of this institution. We try to be perfect role models of discipline and try to bring laurels and glory to it. We pray for God's blessings and seek your valuable prayers so that we may able to do our responsibilities with sense of dedication. Thanks be to God.
Our chief guest to the dance.
Thank you, respected dignitaries, for gracing us with your presence today. Your presence inspired our young leaders. The lamp symbolizes the removal of darkness and spread of knowledge, wisdom, and positivity. It reminds us that education and leadership should always guide us from darkness to light. Now, I request our respected dignitaries to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp. Now, I invite the students of class 7 to present a prayer dance. This performance is a humble offering to seek guidance, wisdom, and blessings to our new student council and for our entire school. My dear students, please join me in welcoming them with a big round of applause.
Is visionary leader in public healthcare. As the CDMO, he carries the immense responsibility of managing healthcare system and ensuring well-being of our entire community. His service is a shining example of selfless service, resilience, and unwavering dedication to humanity. Dr. Gangadhar Mehra began his journey with a strong academic foundation. He completed his matriculation in Dera Kalyari High School in the year 1980. Intermediate science done in Dhenkanal. After that, he pursued MBBS in Bhimsa, Bulla in 1982 and later went on to his post-graduation in skin and feeding during 1997 and 2000 in MKCG NCH Barackpur. His commitment to public health has taken him across our state. He has served with dedication in different districts, including postings. In 1991, he posted in Ganjam. In 2001, posted in Kandhamal, and in 2013, He served in Koraput,
My dear students, I would like to request our esteemed chief guests and respected principals to say to clean up the branches and start with the newly elected vice rector and vice rector of the Student Council Member 2026. Please come on to the stage. For doing the honoring and pinning up the badges to the newly elected council members of 2026-27. We wish them a grand success and the best of their everything in their life. The four houses, the house captains from class 10, Ganesha Singh from class 10, Ishan Gupta from class 9, Anvesha Majumdar from class 9, Sashi Prakash from class 8, Soumya Singh from class 8, Saisred Sahu from class 7A, Ansuman Pani from class 7B, class 6, and Darshan Krishna Patnaik from class 6. I would like to request all the prefects please come on to the stage. And now, the most anxious awaited, now we will witness the much anticipated oath-taking ceremony performed by the council members who will take their oath of the office with the promise that they would carry out their duties with integrity and faith and excellence. Now I would like to request our newly elected head boy, Somesh, to read the oath.
Cabinet members, please touch your hands. I, Somesh Das, do pledge as a head boy of St. John's School Talcher. As the school cabinet, we promise that we will abide by all the rules and regulations of this institution. We will obey and respect our parents, teachers, and elders. We will consider each student as our brother and sister. To our school management, the principal, the teachers, and friends, we pledge our commitment for the betterment of this institution. We will try our best to bring prosperity and happiness among the students of this institution. We try to be perfect role models of discipline and try to bring laurels and glory to it. We pray for God's blessings and seek your valuable prayers so that we may able to do our responsibilities with sense of dedication. Thanks be to God.
Exam example more than mere desire. Leadership is not just about taking charge. It is also about passing the torch of responsibility with grace. Now we come to the flag handing over ceremony. I request our former student council member to please come forward on stage. They have served our school with dedication for the past years. Let us give them a big round of applause for their service, my dear children. Now I request them to hand over the school flags. Thank you to our former leaders.
Teachers and dear students, we congratulate the newly elected students, leaders for this academic year. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai, the former Chief Minister of West Bengal, once said, all the doctors are teachers and all the students are leaders. All the rules and regulations of the school. A leader, for example, Prime Minister or a king, he has to work alone. Others are supporting them. So, you think independently for the development, for the progress of the school. As a doctor, doctors are working in the hospitals 24/7. Hence, the students also work or think about.
Very good morning to all of you. Today is a landmark day in the life of our school. We are here to celebrate leadership, responsibility, and the spirit of service. Through our investor ceremony, we are truly honored to have our esteemed guest, Dr. Mr. Gangadhar Behra, SDMO, even in the corridors matters. Lead from the front. Second, be responsible. Rights come with duties, whether it is maintaining discipline or organizing events on your work. Third, be inclusive. A true leader. I also take this opportunity to thank the previous office members. Many are not present, they are passed out. But
My heartfelt thanks to our principal sister for providing us with this wonderful opportunity for us, always inspiring students to become responsible leaders. So thank you very much, sister, for your inspiring and your guidelines and your cooperation and support to the students as well as teachers.